Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach a pom-pom, one of these furry pom-poms, to your knitted hat. And I have a video on how to knit this particular hat. I'll link it down below. So I just went ahead and ordered some of these pom-poms on Amazon, and they're nice and fluffy. Now they feel like a stuffed animal, so they have inside something stuffed, and they took quite a long while to arrive, but you know, you just want to shake them a little bit and then they'll fluff up. Now the thing about these furry pom-poms, they're like in fashion now, I guess, but you can't wash them because, you know, they will just get flat or something. But I'll show you how to attach it so you can take it off whenever you want and wash your hat. I mean, I don't normally wash my hats more than once a year, so once through the season. But if you need to wash them more often, then you can just take the pom-pom off and wash your hat the way you wash it, and then attach the pom-pom back on. But yeah, let's get started. I do apologize for the lighting. It's a rainy day today, and I had to put the flash that gives shadows in the background. But I just want you to see what I'm doing, because this is like precise stuff. What you need is your pom-pom, your hat, and scissors, some yarn that it's quite close to the yarn that you knitted your hat with, but a little bit different so you can see the strands. So I have here a dark gray and a crochet hook, and use the crochet hook that is close to the yarn you're using. If you have a very chunky yarn, then you just use a chunkier hook. But this is what you're going to do. You're going to find the end of your yarn. Let's see, yeah, found it. And you're just going to make a chain. So slip knot and do a tight chain for I don't know, like maybe like 15 centimeters or so. I don't really like this lighting. But anyway, you see what I'm doing, which is most important. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, a bit more. Because you kind of want to make a bow instead of a knot on the inside of the hat, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So maybe go for 20 centimeters. Yeah, that'll do. Then we'll cut and pull it through. So here's our chain. And now these pom-poms that I got, and I'm sure all the other ones that you get, Rowan makes some nice ones. They all have this elastic coming out of them, like this. So what you want to do is put your chain through like that, and then you want to take your hat, and we're gonna pull the chain through the top of the hat. So you want to go right in the center, on a little bit on the side, and put your hook through, pick up your chain and bring it in, and here is where it comes. There you go. Then you want to go a little bit on the other side like this and pick up the other side of the chain. Ooh, and pull it through Okay, so now we have a little bit of the pom-pom coming through as well. Let me just show you. So we have both sides of the chain coming through the top of the hat like this, and all you want to do is tighten it like this, and then make a bow like that. And as you can see, I've got ends here which you want to cut fairly short like this. So make a bow and tighten it. And there it is. Your pom-pom is on and it looks cute. And your hat is ready to wear. And when you want to wash it, you just undo the bow and wash your hat. But that's it. I hope this is helpful, and do keep an eye on my YouTube because I have a surprise for you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.